Okay, at my local library, there is a Trane Weathertron heat pump and 2 other Tranes. There's the damn spec sheet. Alright, manufacturing date. $498. Model number TWA090A300BC. Serial number N161SG6AH. Maybe USA. UL listed section of heat pump. Trane Weathertron heat pump from 1998. Here's a Trane HD3. Where that is. Manufacturing date 698. Model number TWA036, 3-ton. C300A2. I don't say anything else. Very quiet. Quieter than that one. Here's one that I do not think is functional. It's got the compressor wrapped in something. It's a Trane XE1200 high efficiency Weathertron heat pump. Where's the spec sheet? Manufacturing date 698. Model number TWP018C100A2. It's a half a ton. First half ton I've ever seen. Yeah, XE1200, manufacturing date 698. Alright, and no, I don't know where their handlers are. Don't see the reversing valve. That concludes this video. I hope you enjoyed. Over and out.